Hello and welcome back to Park Superior Sales. Today we're taking a look at this beautiful coach behind me, a 2021 Cadillac XT5 Platinum Coach Phoenix Hearse, black colorway, full black vinyl tuxedo top on this vehicle, all the bells and whistles. You got your four-way clear strobes up front in this front grille to give you that high visibility, which is really nice. Only 58,000 miles on this 2021 XT5. You got a set of painted Cadillac OEM wheels, flag mounts and staffs included with the vehicle. As you come back a bit, chrome drip rail, chrome B and C pillars, so it really dresses the vehicle up, as you can see, and it has a chrome crown band to really tie everything together and make this vehicle pop when coming down the road in a procession. So as we open up door number 2 here, you got a full composite number 2 door here. It's an Alicante casket floor, 2 stationary beer pins up front with a Cadillac logo on that partition wall. This is really, really nice. And then you have a flip-up, closed church truck with a flip-up lid, giving you the versatility to stand the church truck up or lie it down and slide it away if you so please. Hide it away from the families on service day. You got umbrella storage up front, but it also can be used for flyers, pamphlets, flags, whatever you may need for your services. You got a nice door sill here that's been integrated. It's great because getting that church truck in and out of this compartment, you're not going to do any damage to that inner door sill. But you can see the door cards are extremely clean, nice set of drapes, chrome nameplate brackets. And as we move back a bit, you do have those platinum flowing Landau bars that they're very much known for. I think it just looks really great on this coach in my opinion. As we come around to the rear here, left hand rear load door hinge. Get a nice beautiful platinum embroidery on this rear load door. Got a bifold bumper carpet protector here, so it really folds right on down, and it's going to preserve that rear bumper over the lifetime you own in the coach. Many days of getting that church truck up to the back here where you can kind of bump right up to it, and it's not going to do any damage to that rear bumper. So really nice to have, and it's really easy to take off if you so need to. But as you can see here, you got 6 LED lighting all along your headliner, and then you have some fixture lighting on the left and right hand side for the panels. Wheel boxes in immaculate condition on the left and right hand side, no rips, tears, or gashes. 10 rollers all in the rear here with the quick adjustable release beer pin store on the right hand side of the vehicle for quick and easy access. But what's great about this coach, it comes with a built-in urn carrier, which is great for this time of the funeral industry. You want to be able to get your coach rolling a few more times a month. So if you can accommodate your local families with something like this, so you can easily accommodate some cremation services, and it will accommodate for any size urn on the market. Stanchions stay right inside, and it easily slides to whatever size urn. And this also will accommodate a child-sized casket, heaven forbid that be the case. But it easily folds right on down, and you're back into perfect casket mode. Really, really nice. The Phoenix is one of the flagship models for Platinum, so this is one of the best sellers, as you can see. You should close the rear load door. You do have your load door stainless here, which really dresses it up. It ties it really well with the chrome crown band and the B and C chrome. You do have some backup sensors into the rear bumper here, rear bumperettes, and a backup camera as well. So anyone at your funeral home can move around this coach with confidence and ease. As we move around to the driver's side, we fully have reconditioned this vehicle. So it's 100% turnkey ready, service ready, the day it arrives at your funeral home. It has new tires, everything. It's been fully detailed, kept in our climate controlled showroom. So it's been fully cared for since we took it in on trade. Compact spare tire, tool and jacket here as well. And it's a flip-up lid, so you're not fighting with that tire. If you ever heaven forbid had a flat on your service day, you get that tire out with ease. But you can also keep it some storage under here as well. Super nice, and a nice look at that partition wall there. Super beautiful. And as we come into the driver door here, you got a black leather wrap steering wheel, black leather seats. You do have push button start, keyless entry. You got a touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, FM, AM, all the bells and whistles. Engage the vehicle in reverse. You're going to get that backup camera popping right onto that backup touchscreen there, so anyone at your funeral home can move around this coach with confidence. Above your overhead compartment, you do have a switch to engage the four-way clear strobes, so you can get that high visibility for your service day. Steering wheel has a bunch of cool amenities and features. You got your cruise adaptation control, and you do have some volume control as well, lane assist, paddle shifters, everything you could want and need. Heated seats as well. If you'd like to get some more information or take a better look at some more photos on our website, go to www.parksuperior.com, or you can call 1-800-229-5008, get some more pricing or get some more information on this 2021 Cadillac XT5 Platinum Phoenix Hearse, and we look forward to hearing from you.